60 seconds with me correct pidgin and int. Now what they do this morning, we don't wear our eyeglass and we won't look what happen for inside the UEFA Champions League match where the players today Real Madrid, Liverpool against Lionel Messi. Sorry, Liverpool against Barcelona. Now Messi now happened yesterday for this Barcelona side. Oh, Messi, it don't confirm to many people say, "Chai, this man na better player." Now he never to tell self where Ronaldo scoring on 600 goal. Messi too, he don't score his own 600 goal. We don't come on hand for these two people matter. Make them go another planet where they play their own ball. But make we look what happened yesterday with that Liverpool side. Liverpool play better ball, but the problem is that Liverpool no fit score. We they wonder whether they get something where Barcelona put for their post. When they make Liverpool, when they reach there, they just they pass the ball. They know they fit find way enter inside, make they score goal. And how you they say the second leg of this one, it go happen. 3-0 for inside Camp Nou. Then they go Anfield next. Liverpool, then go fit score 4-0 or 3-0 for inside their own house. We won't know.